For this DIY therapy project, I'll put my green thumb, or lack thereof, to practice. And I'll also proudly introduce my little garden helper, Gotti. My inspiration for this project was after completing the decking on the balcony, I realized that something was missing. The first step was finding a planter with the right dimensions. I picked this one up for a third of the price on Etsy. Most fiberglass planters like this one don't come with watering holes, so I had to drill 3 approximately 1-inch holes equally dispersed at the bottom before starting the planting process. Once I had the holes made, I was ready to get started with the planting. I happily settled on the horse reed plant because it was the perfect pick to add some privacy to the balcony. It has tremendous health benefits, and it's even prehistoric. Next, I picked up some items to prep the planter. I picked these river rocks up at Michael's and spread them across the base of the planter so that the water could get through when watering the plant. I also picked up this organic planting mix from Lowe's and began spreading it across the bottom of the planter, about halfway to the top. Then I assessed the 6 1-gallon plants that I purchased to determine how I wanted to place them in the planter. And now to take them out of their temporary planters and place them in the pot. And now that all 6 are planted, I wish them a good night and we would get started again in the morning. The next day, one last trip to Lowe's to pick up some weed control, insect repellent, and Miracle-Gro food, all organic. One last bag of soil and a little spray of water, and they're ready to grow. And with that, this DIY project is a success. And now we, Gotti and I, wait for them to grow.